Hi and welcome to another product review from GM Details. This time it's Constellation Chemicals' new snow foam lands and Pulsar snow foam. So what makes this different from any other snow foam lands? Well, as you can see, the shape of it. The wider neck of it just means it's going to be easier to fill, and the base of it is wider so it won't topple over when there's product in it. So the actual lens itself is mostly brass fitting with the plastic sheath on the adjustment for the fan. And the bottle itself is a 1 litre bottle which has measurements on the side of it, so that's quite helpful when you're making up your dilutions. On the bottom of the feeder pipe there's a filter just in case there's any debris that's mistakenly fallen into the bottle. It won't end up coming through the lens. Now the first thing I want to test on this snow foam lens is its draw rate from the bottle up through the lens and onto your car as the panel impact ratio. Now some lenses are quicker, using more product, so therefore there's more concentration of product coming onto your car's paintwork, and I've heard that this one's actually slightly slower, so I just want to compare that with my other snow foam lens, the Auto Bright Direct one, just to see what the differences are. Okay, so by the time that the snow foam lens bottle was empty, that's a litre of water that was in it, there was 17.8 litres of water in the bucket. So a quick multiplication by 0.04 to give us a PIR of 4% gives us 712 millilitres of snow foam. And that's just insane. So I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use the maintenance wash recommendation, which is 9 parts water to 1 part product. So 100 millilitres of snow foam goes in the lens bottle first, topped off with 900 mils of warm water. So why use warm water rather than cold water? Well, it's a thing that I learned a while ago about warm water activating cleaning chemicals inside the product you're using. I know then you're going on to introduce cold water coming through the pressure, so by the time it hits the car it's cold again. I'm not too sure about the reaction of how that goes, so maybe somebody can enlighten us in the comments and actually let us know whether it should really work better warm or does it work equally well cold. Let us know in the comments. Now to mix it, don't turn it upside down because it leaks out of the join from the brass nut to the plastic bottle top. So just give it a gentle shake side to side, that'll be fine. So on to the application of the snow foam itself. I'm going to get criticised here, I know that, the way the car looks. Yes, it looks clean, but you know, it's been driving in the rain for a few days and there's some light dirt on it. It's winter dirt after all, there's some salt on it. It needs taking off, so therefore it's a maintenance wash. So by using the 100 ml to the litre, that's the 1 to 9 dilution, for the maintenance wash as described on the website. So let's take a look and see just how well the snow foam goes on. It's quite a milky product, as you can see here. It goes on, it's very, very reminiscent of Bilthamber's Auto Foam. It's quite similar in consistency and runs off pretty quickly. Now, the car itself just recently, 2 or 3 days ago, had a sealant applied to it, just a sort of hybrid quick detailer stroke sealant. So quite hydrophobic protection already on the car, but the product itself isn't designed to stay on the car for very long. I was speaking to Frank, the owner from Constellation Chemicals, and he said that the snow foam has been designed to stay on the car for a very short length of time to soften up the dirt very, very quickly. So that's maybe the idea with it being a wetter foam, so that it has that fast reaction with the dirt that's on the car. Which is interesting because initially I thought that the foam wasn't very good because it didn't cling, but after speaking to Frank, and he reassured me that it's designed to clean, it's designed to clean well, and it's designed to clean fast. So we'll see later on just how good the cleaning power is. So after a couple of minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes at most of the snow foam has really already slid off the car, as it's apparently supposed to do, just leaving some light residue of foam remaining to rinse off. And this is after a minute or so on the BMW. Now I think for this car it's pretty much all came off, and there isn't that much protection on the BMW as what there is on the Fiesta, because the Fiesta had just been done a few days previous. So I'm not sure myself at the moment. This is, after all, my first time using the product. It's a thing I'm not used to, with it being slightly different. But looking at that there, you can be forgiven for thinking straight away, this is crap, because it's all lying on the floor. Anyway, we'll give it a rinse and we'll see where we are from there. Anyway, for all my whinging and moaning about the product, it's actually cleaned very, very well indeed. And that's all we're looking for at the end of the day, is products that work and work well. Whether they be different, whether they be runny, sticky, foamy, whatever. If they work, they work. So that's it for me, guys, in this short review of the Constellation Chemicals Pulsar Snow Foam and the new Snow Foam Lance. Let me know in the comments below if you've used Pulsar before. If you haven't used it before, what did you think about it in the video? Yes, it was milky, it didn't cling, it didn't stick, but it did clean on a maintenance level. So I think that we really need a little bit more investigation with Pulsar, and I'll keep you updated in the following few videos that I'm going to bring out. So guys, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. If you have, thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, bye.